Okay, guys, let's talk about relationship with your spouse. If you want to have an amazing relationship with your spouse, make sure you give her love. Love. That's the magic word. Give her love. You will be happy because you give love and it feels good. Give her 100% attention. Call her, text her, tell her how much you love her. Let's take care of everything. Just give her love. And spoil her. Buy her some nice gifts. Ask her what does she want. What does she want to do? What does she want to have? Just give it to her. So easy. Yeah, that's what you do when you want to have an amazing relationship with your wife, your girlfriend. Just give her the best. Okay, guys, I hope I helped a few of the guys here how to have an amazing relationship, amazing life. I talk to you later.